Hi, my name is Preston from Miller Trailer Sales. We're about 30 miles north of Philadelphia in the town of Perkasie, Pennsylvania. I'm here to introduce to you the Tab 320. There are 4 floor plans for the Tab 320. The U, the S, the CS, and the CSS. The sidewalls of the trailer are made of fiberglass over Asdel. Asdel is a synthetic wood that does not absorb any moisture. That way we don't have delaminations like you may have seen on some older campers. The trailer construction is aluminum frame underneath the sidewalls. This has a one-piece aluminum roof, so we don't need to worry about leaks. The exterior length on this trailer is about 15 feet. The dry weight on the U model is 1826 pounds. The tongue weight on the U model is 198 pounds. The CS model is 1909 on the empty weight, and the CSS 1851 on the CSS model. And the tongue weight is 216 on the CSS. The gross vehicle weight is 2,900 pounds on all of the 320 models. There is 11 gallons of fresh water and 19 gallons of gray water. The S and CSS models have an 8-gallon black water tank. At the front of the trailer we have a pod, or as the factory calls it, a tub. The tub on the 320 models has the propane bottle and the battery. The passenger side of the Tab 320 has the entry door with an automatic catch when you open it, a portal window in the door. We have the plastiform windows. We have the 120-volt outlet. We have a baggage door option and also a outside mount for our table. There's an optional platform that you can put on the front that allows for you to carry extra gear or even just use it as a seat. It's a very nice place to step up to. If you wish to wash the trailer, you can reach the top quite easily by standing on the platform. On the driver's side, we have the 30 amp power cord hookup. We have the Aldi exhaust. We have the outdoor shower on each of the models. We have the coax cable hookup for the television. We have the radio antenna. We have the freshwater tank fill and also the city water connection. These trailers offer 150 watt solar panels on top. It's a very nice feature if you plan to be in the sun. If you prefer to camp in the shade, won't do you much good if you're in the shade, but you could use a ZAMP portable panel and say a 25 or 35 foot cord to keep your battery up while you're in the shade with your camper. All of the 320 models have 3 windows that open for fantastic lighting, and they're insulated plastiform windows. They all also have the 3-speed fantastic fan vent, which is reversible. They all also have underfloor storage on the passenger side. The 320s also have the Aldi heating system. The Aldi heating system is so fantastic because on a 30-degree day, you can have it 80 degrees inside of here. With the Aldi system, the heat is quiet. You can barely hear it, and it's comfortable. It holds it to a very close tolerance range. The other beautiful thing about the Aldi system is it heats your hot water. So there's one loop that has the glycol in it, and an outer loop has the water in it. The heating elements are in the glycol, so you don't have to worry about those burning out. It can run on either propane or electric, so when you're in the campground, you plug in and save on your propane. We're sitting in a Tab 320U, and this U model has been named for the U-shaped dinette. The dinette area features a couch, and the back of the couch folds down to give you a large sleeping area, 70 by 73. The back of the couch has overhead storage cabinets and reading lights, and of course 2 speakers. The U model also has an air conditioning with a air conditioner on the floor with a seat above it. U model also features a hanging closet at the end of the kitchen area. This refrigerator is a Norcold 3-way. It can run on propane, 12 volt or 120 volt. A covered stove, a glass top stove, so you have counter space on top of the stove, and you can have either the Sofitel sink with a glass top or a plastic sink with a wooden cutting board top. The control head for the entertainment center in the Tab U is over top of the sink, and the television is in the top corner. The Tab U model can also have a roof rack for hauling your kayaks or bikes. The Tab S does not have a closet. Instead, it has the shower and toilet combo, and the air conditioner is overhead. This is a Tab 320 CS clamshell, and we're in the interior space, which seems very spacious. The Tab CS stands for clamshell. That is because it has a galley in the rear of the trailer. Some of the features of the clamshell model are the set of dresser drawers, 4 deep dresser drawers right inside the door under the counter. Like the U model, it also has the hanging closet. And next to the hanging closet, it also has the seat over top of the air conditioner. We have a 70 by 56 bed. And for people who are not over 6 feet, this is quite comfortable. We simply sleep crosswise. Another feature of the CS model is that you have pass-through storage on your cabinets. The entertainment center on the clamshell includes a television both inside and outside with remote controls for each one of them, so you can watch outdoors if you care to. The galley of the clamshell has a 2-way fridge, that is a 12 volt and 120 volt fridge, and that can be supported by the solar. The clamshell has a sink and stove, both with a glass top. The Tab CSS adds a wet bath to the clamshell model, and that includes a shower and toilet. Thank you for watching this video on the Tab 320 floor plans. We have models to suit everyone. Most of these can be pulled with the car you already own, and we hope to see you soon here in Perkasie, Pennsylvania. We're 30 miles north of Philadelphia.